Induction cooking is the hottest new technology in the kitchen. There is a lesser known eco-friendly attributes in the inductions. It transmits the heat to the confined area of your cooking pot, and very less ambient heat is generated, making the environment cool. Hi, my name is Amit Tangri. Let's do an experiment on this. If you see, I have kept half of the chocolate on the pan and half on the induction body. So I'll just switch it on to show you the magic. See, this part is getting melted. It is softer. If I am touching this has got melted. Why? Because this part has, you see, the chocolate has melted on this part. See, and this part is still strong. But if you see this part, this is still hard. So, what do you observe? The chocolate which was kept on the pot has melted, the other part has not. So what does this imply? This implies that the induction cooker is giving you the heat over the pot and not to the area around it. This is a very simple example to show how energy efficient these induction cookers are. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please like it, and see you next on applianceslove.in. Thank you.